Good morning, everyone. A beautiful Christmas day to all of you. And today we will slow down together in this morning routine to go fast. And before we start, I just warmly want to invite you to join me on the workshop on Monday for starting our new year right, closing 2020, drawing the learnings, and starting on a right note of the mindset and with a clear vision to go forward. So let's start now in our morning routine. That is all about slowing down, and that's what Christmas and the holidays are for me, for you, I guess, and also for everyone else on this planet. Even if you're not religious or not in that cultural circumstance, it's a great way to use Christmas and the shift of the years to slow down, take some time off, because anyways things in the world are slowed down, to integrate and to really be with yourself. And a wonderful practice of slowing down is meditation. And I want to gift us a slowing down meditation this morning. And then after the meditation, I will show you also some other practices of slowing down to invite in your day, wherever you are, so you can enjoy them and use them for regaining energy, for getting clear again, to connect to your guidance, to your intuition. So you have that inner energy source, the full cup, so you then can go fast and create all those amazing things in the new year that you desire. And with that, let's start. I invite you gently to close your eyes for this. It's a short meditation. It's a breathing and connecting exercise. And you can use this technique all the time when you feel things are running too fast and you just notice your body needs a break. Give yourself some conscious meditation break, and for that, just wherever you are, sit, lie, stand, walk, gently, not drive, and just listen to my voice and connect deeply within. And find those gaps between the thoughts, between the sounds, those gaps of silence, of nothingness. Just focus on finding those gaps, and we'll stop talking now for a little bit and just help you to deeply connect inside, into your breath, into your being, and just focus on the gaps between the sounds, the thoughts, the activities. now just dive deeper into those pauses, those little moments of silence. And even if your head is thinking on and on and on, just always go back with your focus to the pauses, to the silence between the thoughts. And continue breathing. And it's all okay. Let's not judge ourselves. There is no good or bad meditation. It's just a practice of showing up. Finding that pauses, of giving ourselves permission to be there. Relaxing into it. Just keep on practicing a little bit more. And then gently, gently, let's close this practice with some gratitude and just remember 3 simple things today that you are grateful for. Feel them, feel this gratitude flowing into your heart. And then gently come back here together. And what a wonderful practice of pausing. I on purpose today really just put a space there of silence, because so often we get into the trap of always needing to do something, that something is happening, that we feel we cannot stand the silence. And the beauty is actually happening in the nothingness, in the silence, when suddenly the focus went off. That's when the spark of ideas happen. That's when our brain connects within the right and the left hemisphere. So we need to find also the space where those connections can happen. And the more we pause, the more possibilities for those ahas do we actually create. And that's where the magic happens. That's where exponential growth happen in our lives. It's not from the force. It's happening from the pause. And of course, then taking conscious action, right, on whatever guidance we get. So it's not happening just pausing. But the pause and the action go hand in hand together. And we can just act consciously when we pause. And then the action is exactly in the right speed, exactly in the right timing. And that's my invitation for you now in the holidays, when there's actually anyways a big slowing down happening, is to find those gaps, those pauses in our lives. And they are everywhere. They are waiting for something. They are maybe really between the tasks or the activities that you plan for the day. There's always a minute or 30 seconds or 20 seconds to just consciously be in the pause. To just breathe, or to just watch nature, or just be. Not doing anything. Just be. And my invitation is to look out for those pauses. Also beautiful pauses, transitioning, right? Like you are finishing one action and then the next action comes. Why rushing to the next thing? Why not taking a conscious minute, conscious 5 minutes to pause into it? You can rush, driving somewhere, walking somewhere fast, going in your mind already, fast forward. Or you can consciously, in a minute or 2 minutes, walk or go smoothly to the next task by just breathing and being it and observing what's happening inside. And that's true slowing down. Think about that. And a wonderful thought experiment, what we also did in the meditation, is focusing on the pause, not focusing on the action, because that sharpens your mind to find pauses. So look out for the gaps in the day. Look out for the nothingness and celebrate them. Sometimes we feel like, I don't want to do this, I always want to do something. But look for the gaps. Celebrate them, enjoy them. That's my wish for you, deeply from my heart. And if you want to take a long pause of clarity, of focus, of visioning, of closing on the note of full action for 2021, then I invite you to join me in my webinar I'm hosting on Monday. And the link you can find below or in my bio, and I would appreciate and love to spend that transition, that pause together. Bye bye. Have a beautiful, beautiful day.